we ended up driving on the east side of Going to the Sun Road.
So we went as far as we could go just to get a feel for that part of the Sun Road. It had a lot of lakes and overlooks, tons of granite.
We are on the Sun Road, and we kind of pulled over on a turnout to check out the views. We're taking it really slow so we can take in all the beauty and taking advantage of the turnouts along the way.
And we did end up taking a hike off of that side of the Sun Road called the St. Mary's Falls.
So we found the area for the St. Mary Falls hike, but at the main parking area, which is really, really limited, everything was full. So we drove up the road a little bit and found a place to stick our car. So we're gonna have a little bit of a walk to get to the starting point of this hike, but that's what we're gonna do next. I think it's a kind of shorter walk.
Yeah, I think
3.5
point something
round trip. Yeah, so that's where we're off to.
So you have, we're here, and 0.8 miles takes you down to St. Mary's Fall. And then if you go just a little bit further, somewhere along here is Bering Falls. And then further to 1.5 miles total is Virginia Falls. So not too bad.
All right, ready to go?
Ready to go.
Let's go. So we're on the St. Mary's Falls. There's a quite large fall visible from where we're hiking, but we're not sure if that's actually St. Mary's or something higher. So we're gonna go check it out.
Which way?
This way, but there's some long hikes. This Sperry Chalet is 13.7 miles.
Oh, Pike Pass Trail.
But we are going this way. I just want to say, see that beautiful deer out there? Nice young deer. Scared? I thought you were going to pee your pants.
I came across the corner and saw a thing moving. It startled me. That's all. I know. You can't take me anywhere.
So St. Mary's is the first falls that you run into on this hike. Very easy hike. It was no elevation gain up to that point.
This is our next falls, the Bering Falls.
We decided to keep going past St. Mary's Falls, and we went to the Virginia Falls, and I highly recommend that. It's a moderate hike. Again, there's not a whole lot of elevation gain, so it wasn't real hard at all. I think a lot of people can handle this hike without a problem. We did see that. We saw people of all kinds of ages hiking this, and everybody seemed to be enjoying themselves.
I remember when we were doing this, we would run across a few people that were asking, like, is it worth it to go all the way to Virginia Falls, or am I good enough just seeing St. Mary's? And to a person, I think we told them, because I think we even asked somebody about Virginia Falls, and it was definitely, you got to go all the way to Virginia Falls.
You have to go, and you could actually see the falls from the Sun Road. And I'm like, well, which falls is that? I wasn't sure which one it was, and it's like, that's the one I want to go to. And that was the Virginia Falls, and it was spectacular.
Yeah. So that was kind of like a very high, long waterfall drop.
Yeah, gorgeous pictures. You can get really close to the falls.
Yeah.
You get sprayed with water and all the mist from the falls.
Yeah, so that would be a place, if you have a very light rain type jacket, this would be a place where that might come in handy.
You will get wet. We made it to Virginia Falls, and it is amazing. I did a dance. So we were up at the waterfall, Virginia Falls, which is quite an amazing scenery, and people were helping each other by taking pictures of each other, and we had gone up, and a couple took a picture of us, and then they asked if we could take a picture of them. We're like, absolutely. And as I was walking back, another young lady says, oh, couples taking care of couples. So that's some hiking etiquette that happens along the way when you're up here in the mountains. People kind of watch out after you. It's kind of neat. I really, really enjoyed that hike.
Yeah, if we would rate Grinnell as our favorite hike of this trip, I think I would put this one at number 2. Because it was fun, it was different, and it was one of those where, you know, like every 10-15 minutes there was like something pretty cool to see.
Yeah.
And it was one of these where it kind of climaxed when you got to the very, very end. All right, so we just completed a hike to St. Mary's Falls and Virginia Falls.
Yes, St. Mary's Falls was beautiful, very easy to get to. If you want to go a little bit further, it's more of an uphill, but you get up to another falls, and then you get to the Virginia Falls, which is amazing. You could actually see it as you're driving the Sun Road in the distance, so it's quite large and just beautiful.
Yeah, so we're just spending the day stopping at places on going to the Sun Road, trying a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I didn't know exactly what to expect, but I'm glad we stopped here. If you do come here, I would make it all the way to the final falls, Virginia Falls, because it's the most impressive of what you see here.
Parking is very limited, so you have to kind of get lucky or get early.
Yeah.
You come early.
Early bird gets the worm.
Yeah.
Okay. And on we go to see other things.
Yes.
Thanks for watching this video. We hope you've seen some things that'll help you plan your future travel adventures.
And if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and like us. And if you have any comments, we'd love to hear from you.
And until next time, keep on traveling, and we hope to see you at the places where we go.